Do you know you can have many YouTube channels under one Gmail account? Yeah, you have not heard that before? So let's get into it for you to know how to do that in just easy steps. We will be carrying out this task using a PC, okay? And on the web. So open your web browser. Here I'll be using Google Chrome. As the browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com. You will be landed on the dashboard of your existing YouTube channel. As you can see, this is my latest video. I am on the channel dashboard, okay? Then by this margin, you see some tabs. One of the tabs here is settings. So click on settings. On the settings page, just as you can see, select channel. Then you are landed on the basic information section of the channel. Okay. Then select advanced settings. On this advanced settings, you will see some advanced settings of your YouTube channel, the existing one. So scroll down the page and then click on this option, manage YouTube account. Here we are. It says choose how you appear and what you see on YouTube. All right, this is my existing email address. Okay, what you need to do again is under your YouTube channel section, click on create a new channel. Here it says create your channel name. Maybe I want to go into finance one day. Let me call this unique finance tips. You can't tell, I may have some ideas in the field of finance. Okay, so check this box that states I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Click on create. Now you have a brand new channel. You can go on and customize it, add profile and the rest. Okay, to access it from the studio, as usual, visit studio.youtube.com. Now, as you visit studio.youtube.com, you are landed on the new channel. Click on continue, okay? Then you can see this is our brand new channel, all right? So, but we have an existing YouTube channel which you may need to be working on, okay? The one you are building already. For you to switch to your main YouTube channel, the existing one that you have some content in it, come to this profile section and click. Then select switch account. This lists some channels you have. So this is my old channel. So select it. And here you are. You can keep creating your content on your main channel until you're ready to work on the newly created one. It's that simple. Don't go yet because I know you have learned it. But there is something you need to know. Yes, very important. If you know you're not playing safe on the platform, please don't use this method. Have different Gmail accounts for different YouTube channels. Yes, there's a reason behind that. The reason is because of termination. If you have multiple channels under one Gmail account, and maybe you are doing some things that are against the terms and condition, the community guideline of YouTube, and your account gets terminated, the rest of the accounts, channels that are linked to that one Gmail account will go. So you're losing everything. So if you're careless that you have received strike before, I know that you are likely to do something that will give you another strike. And maybe in the process your account gets terminated. Please have everything separate. Different Gmail accounts for different channels. Don't worry, don't be afraid maybe during monetization how you monetize your content. I have a video here that will teach you on how to link different or multiple Gmail accounts into one AdSense. Okay? And this video will walk you through on how you can go on with monetization, enable monetization after linking those email addresses inside one access account. So watch them and learn more. Thank you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this content. Here we talk about technology, so learn as much as you can. Okay? Leave a comment and see you next time.